Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix lag in Instagram Reels. For example, if you use Instagram Reels on your iPhone and after that you see that your Instagram Reels lag on your phone, so how you can fix that? Or this is what you have to do. You have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection, and after that you have to check whether you have a strong internet connection and it has enough speed so that your reel does not lag. So moreover, you can also check for your phone memory. So here you can simply go to setting, and after that you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to go to iPhone storage, and here you have to simply make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone or phone. And the next thing you have to simply do is you can simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, because many bugs and error are fixed by the latest version. Maybe that kind of internal error on the Instagram, that's why your Instagram reels are lagging. So in this way you can simply check for that. Moreover, you can also go to the settings again, and after that you have to simply go to general, and here you have to simply click on iPhone storage, and after that you have to look for Instagram app, and here you have to simply click on offload app, and after offloading the app you can simply reinstall the app. This will reduce pressure on your device of the Instagram, and it will be installed as new. So here you can simply check for that. Moreover, if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for the next update on Instagram, so that you can also install a latest version of the Instagram app, and after that error will be solved, and your Instagram reels will not lag. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.